Sanibona bafethu uVandelo. So imatch elandelayo Orlando Pirates bayodlala against Sekhukhune United okuyigame yesibili ke leyo bafethu lapha ke eOrlando Amstel Arena izodlala ngo7:30 ebusuku izodlala nje kusasa ngolwesibili. So abalandeli ke bayanxusa ukuthi ke bahambe bayothenga amathikithi uzowathola ku Open Tickets amathikithi uzoyitholela nje uhambe usupport Orlando Pirates ngiyazi kuyabanda isegoli isebusuku 7:30 kodwa ke kumele sifike ngobuningi siyoyisupporta i-team. Remember ke this is not the second leg of i-semi-final. This is the Betway Premiership game. So kule game lesi yawudinga ngempela u3 points. Second leg izodlala ngomgqibelo lapho khona sizoba hosta kuyona iOrlando Amstel Arena. So nakule game le kumele sibashaye njengale game esibashaye khona le eOld Peter Mokaba Stadium. So naye ke mina ilineup yami ungangxeki kuma comments. This is my own lineup. You can tell me your own lineup in the comments, but again, this is my own lineup. Yabo. Starting from the goalkeeping position, you know the situation regarding Usipho Chain. I don't think there is a goalkeeper in South Africa currently who is better than Usipho Chain. You can argue all you want, but again, ngokubona kwami Usipho Chain is our number one as the Orlando Pirates. As a whole league, as a nation, there is no goalkeeper better than Usipho Chain. But again, he wasn't given isikhathi ukuthi ke ayikhombise laphana kwi-World Cup. Enough about that. Ngizokhuluma ama-center backs njengamanje. The center back position, I will start with ubanina uSibisi and uSiyema. I trust these two guys to do wonders laphana emuva like they always do. Abajita ke they kept a clean sheet last game as I spoke. Ngasho ukuthi ke abajita they have ama clean sheets amnandi kakhulu bayakwazi ke bayisiza team ibambe ama clean sheets. Last game asibanga nawo ama mistakes amaningi at the back. We are very solid. Isekhukhune United they didn't even give us like umsebenzi omningi. Thina nje besenza nje izinto ezilula ukuthi ke simake lapho nalapho. Inkinga labo besibuye isibreak khona lapha esiswini. But again, in terms of defense, the two center backs they were very solid. So you can tell me in the comments your center back pairing ukuthi ke obani abadlali wena ke ongabadlalisa as ama-center backs. Ngokubona kwami ama-wing backs kumele siqhubeke nawo. Lama-wing backs ade edlala last game okuba nawo uDion Hotto benosibelebele. These guys are very good for Orlando Pirates. The thing is regarding uSibelebele sometimes benolungu baye baclash lapha phambili. Yabo kuyaye kube difficult for thina ukuthi ke abajita sibadlalise ndawonye. Ingakho uyayibone ubanina ulungu azashintshe position ayingale. Yabo ubonile lakho lelingenile athi sedlala ngala ulungu kakhulu shy combination with uDion Hotto bakwazi ke bagora. So kule position engala kasazobanzima kakhulu coach kumele azame ukuthi ke alungise lapho nalapho, but ke for the time being ngoba ke uMorem usalimele kumele simdlalise ulungu as a right winger. But ke for now these are the wing backs. You can tell me in the comments wena ke uchoose kanjani. This is the proper back four esijwayele ukudlala ngayo nala season iyona proper back four le yaswinela iBetway Premiership. Masukuthi ke eswini ngizoqalisa bani na ngizoqalisa yena uMthiyane. Umfana uMthiyane ke uyena umdlali ke lapha ke engimthembayo. You saw umfana uMthiyane last game umjida he was playing very good for Orlando Pirates. So siyayidinga injini estable ezodlala laphana as number 6. Kodwa ke ngithe awuthi ke ngiyihlakaze le ukuthi ke adlale as number 6 kumele ke adlale as umuntu ke ozodlalisana lapha. Kumele si approach le game le as u4 ngizothini 4-2-4-2-2-1. Yeah, ingathi singayi approach kanjalo le game le kubo i4-2-2-1-1. Yeah, i4-2-2-1-1. Yeah, kuba i-formation kanjalo. So abajita bazodlala iswini ngaqalisa bani na? Ngaqalisa yena uMokoboti benayo uMthiyane. Yabo badlale kahle kakhulu last game. The reason why ngiqalisa kanje i-game guys, remember Orlando Pirates currently ngizothini ukhona number 10 okuMasilela. Masilela yes uyayidinga game time umjida ke kumele adlale more games kuyona iOrlando Pirates, but ke kule game esoyidlala la ubonile against Sekhukhune last game he was very exposed. It seems like Sekhukhune United they planned a trap ukuthi ke number 10 angabi ne free role lapha angakwazi ke abe creative. So they crashed that number 10 position for Orlando Pirates. The player wasn't really breathing, so we relied more on wingers, and the Sekhukhune United defenders they predominantly forced ama-wingers ukuthi ke angabi that creative. So ingakho umubonile lapha iOrlando Pirates ize ya overload that left hand side kwa suka ulongo ngale wayongena lapho kuyimouth ke sithola ifreedom ukuthi ke sithole igoli kuyona idefense yayo iSekhukhune United. So ngiyamcrasha njengamanje number 10 athi uqala kancane ebenchini masukuthi ke kuma wingers azozidlalela laphana ngifake bani la ngifake umsendami ngokwami uyadeserve umjidi ukuthi ke ayiqalele game. Last game umjidi simbunanga yabo. So kule game ke kumele aqale benobani na aqale benaye ulungu. Umsendami uyahlupha kakhulu and ke njengoba nje ezoba no Hotto kuleli side leli sizokwazi ke sihluphe even more. Ngala ngizofaka banina, ngizofaka uLungu with ihope yokuthi ke uSibelebele uzokwazi ke akhuphuka ephezulu ayo Edaman Numbers. No Hotho mekhuphuka ayo Edaman Numbers kuzodropa abanine. Kuzodropa uMthiyane azofoma iback three emuva ashanele la kushanelwa khona. Yabo, kuloke kushanelwa kanjalo. So far iyona ke lineup mina ke engayikhetha leyo. Nawe ke ungangitshela ke ngokwakho ukuthi ke ubani ongabadlalisa ezama wingers. Ngadlalisa mina uMsendami, adlale nobani na, adlale naye lo mfana lo uLungu, Tsapayeni Lungu. So these are the wingers so far. Mase ukuthi ke up front ngingaqalisa bani na, ngingaqalisa yena ubani na uOzwina Police, ngimqalise benobani na, ngimqalise benombuthuma. I know a lot of people will come for me, but ke I'm here to state something ebengiyicabanga kule insuku regarding ukudlala kwabani na, ukudlala kwakhe uMbuthuma. I feel like as ama Orlando Pirates fans kumele simcabangele number 9 wethu. I feel like asimcabangele kakhulu number 9 wethu. I feel like imanagement kumele iyohlala phansi ibheke ukuthi ke udlala kanjani number 9 wethu. Number 9 wethu sibe neqiniso, umsebenzi wakhe ukuhold up ibhola, a create a chance for umdlalo odlala number 10, a create a chance for ama wingers. Kumele siyiscratch leyo nto. You have to go back ku Mamelodi Sundowns. Remember they had a striker similar to uMbuthuma, but the striker was uPeter Shalulile. Back in Peter Shalulile's prime, you used to see Peter Shalulile holding up the ball and giving each opportunity kuma players Mamelodi Sundowns ke bakwazi ke bakhahlele lapha. But ke they didn't only play like that. Yabo, ama wingers Sundowns used to provide ama deadly crosses into the box for striker sabo ukuthi ke sihead. Manga kama ball eswa provider for uMbuthuma ukuthi ke ahead. The only balls we give uMbuthuma as ama crosses ama corners kuphela, and funa khona ama corners we are not that good kuma corners. So mina ukubona kwami we need ama wingers azokwazi ke afaka ama cross eboxini. If you remember, most of ama goals akora uyena uMbuthuma last season, they were goals aqhamuka from ikhanda noma amabhola aqhamuka phezulu. He is very good uma ke kuza amabhola aqhamuka phezulu. Wokunake uSipho Chain meshaya ibhola lapha, uyena umdlalo olithola kuqala ibhola aliflike noma mhlambe ke aphasela umdlalo wakhe uyimazi uphuma ispace. As a striker vele umbona umsebenzi wakho lo. So mina ukubona kwami I feel like we have to work more on our wingers to provide iservice kulona ibhokisi. Mina ke ngizomdlalisa eduze kwabanina, ngizomdlalisa eduze kwa Ozwina Police. Uzosondelana kakhulu Ozwina Police okuzokwenza leyo nto leyo idale ama defenders abe nenkinga kakhulu, angawuthi ke azomakaba. Vele abathanda ukuthi ke bammaye kakhulu yena uMbuthuma because sebeyabona ukuthi ke akayitholi kakhulu iservice. Ingakho ngizobeka uOzwina Police eduze mase ukuthi ke ama wingers ami akwazi ke adlala ibhola eboxini. Ayeke lo. Yabo ayeke lo, angamaki lo, amake lo. Mase ke lo shaya ikhanda nethini. Simple. Iyona ke lineup mina ke engalineup ngawo. Ngangitshela nama comments ithini lineup yakho.